Assalamu alaikum, my dear sisters. Have you ever felt lost or confused about where to start with the Qur'an? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today I'll show you a simple way to begin understanding and connecting with it, step by step. Step 1: Intention. First, let's make our intention. Reading the Qur'an is not just about words, it's about connecting with Allah and letting His guidance touch our hearts. So softly say, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Ask Him to make it easy for you and open your heart to understanding. Step 2: Start small. Don't feel pressured to read the whole Qur'an at once. Start with small, short surahs at the end like Al-Fatiha, Al-Ikhlas, Al-Falaq, and An-Nas. They're simple, meaningful, and will build your confidence. Step 3: Recitation. Focus on reading correctly. Even slowly is fine. Listen to a good reciter, repeat after them. And your pronunciation will improve with time. Step 4: Understand the meaning. After reading a verse, pause and read its translation. Ask yourself, what is Allah teaching me here? If possible, read a short tafsir, even one line at a time. Little by little, it will become clear. Step 5: Reflect and apply. The Qur'an is guidance for life. Think about how you can apply it today. Maybe it teaches patience, kindness, or trust in Allah. Even small actions matter. Step 6: Be consistent. Consistency is key. Try reading even 5 to 10 minutes a day. Slowly, it will become a beautiful habit. Step 7: Make dua. Always ask Allah to help you understand. O Allah, increase me in knowledge and understanding of your Qur'an. He loves when we turn to Him sincerely. Remember, sister, the Qur'an is a lifelong companion. Start slowly, love it, and let it touch your heart. If you want, I can make a simple 30-day plan to help you read and understand the Qur'an daily. Comment yes below if you want me to share it with you. Don't forget to like, share, and save this video for your daily reminder. Inshallah, let's start this journey together.